Those tiny nose dots aren't blackheads, sebaceous filaments explained. Those tiny dots all over your nose might look like blackheads, but they may actually be something completely different. Look closely. Unlike many blackheads, these tiny dots are often small, uniform, and spread fairly evenly across the nose. These are called sebaceous filaments. They're a natural part of your pores and help move sebum toward the skin's surface. A blackhead is a type of clogged pore. Sebaceous filaments, on the other hand, are a normal structure within the follicle. That's one reason the two can look similar but behave differently. And here's the frustrating part: even after you clear the contents of a pore, sebaceous filaments naturally refill because your skin continues producing sebum. When one is gently expressed, you can see the thin material that was sitting inside the pore. It can look surprisingly similar to a tiny plug, but this material is part of the normal oil flow inside the follicle. After gentle cleaning, the pores may look less noticeable for a while, but they won't permanently disappear. Instead of repeatedly squeezing your nose, focus on gentle cleansing and skincare suited to your skin type. Ingredients such as salicylic acid may help with clogged pores for some people. So next time you see these tiny dots on your nose, don't automatically assume they're blackheads. Did you think these were blackheads? Follow Skin Remedian for more satisfying skin cases and simple explanations of what's really happening inside your pores.